Hey, what's up, traders? Do you want to know how to execute this kind of trade? Do you want to know how to enter snipe entry? Take a sniper entry just this way, and then you ride the trade. You're catching the trade from the beginning of the reversal, and then you are riding it to the later, right? If you want to know so, then you are in the right channel. By the way, if you want to pass your prop firm account with just one setup, you want to take this kind of trade and then run it and pass your prop firm account and get funded up to the tune of $600,000 or $400,000 as your need might be, then comment in the comment section below. Tell me that you want to know the detail. Then I'm going to be releasing a detailed analysis of this kind of trade and how I took it, and I'm still riding it. This is 1 hour time frame, as you can see, and then this is just a $5,000 account. And by the way, it's not a demo account, as you can see. Not just a demo account, it's a prop firm account. You can see the commission, the swap, and all that. So you don't have commission on demo account, by the way. So here is a powerful trading technique and approach peculiar to CN grade councils and forex trade. So if you want to know more details, and if you want to get signed up in my mentorship classes, like I announced in my previous video that we've kickstarted, you can do that and hit me up. If you check in the description box of this video, you're going to see my contact. Hit me up, let's talk about it, and let's take you on a ride to profitability this year. This year must be pure. You must be profitable. Every trader who heeds to my teaching, my instructions, definitely this year is going to be your year. So please do good to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload my hacks, my secrets, my counsels that will help you to upscale your trading career this year, you are going to be notified. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if I have as many thumbs up as I desire on this video, then I will know that you seriously need it, and I will release the detailed. There are secrets, okay, but I'm gonna be releasing the analysis that led to the trade you are seeing right now. This is 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, trade is running in deep profits. Okay, it couldn't have been a coincidence, it couldn't have been a mistake, and I have the same trade running, the same setup running on the corresponding pair, which is Euro USD. Okay, whichever pair you trade, our counsels, our directions can help you upscale your trading. So in the meantime, this is CN Grade Councils signing out. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.